In this section, we are going to learn how to uh, map the scaling, how to use scaling block to read analog input values. I have taken one analog input card, that is AMI0410, and now we'll go to logic here. So right click, new section. Here I'll consider FBD block. Sorry, scaling. I'll write a scaling FBD. Okay. So this is the block. Now right click on the block and click on FFB input assistance. Here search scaling. Click OK. So this is the default block you will get. Here this is a real. So you have to add a value here. So how you are going to add the variable here? So before that we'll go to PLC bus here. Double click on this one. As of now I'll change only one. This is the range. I'll select 4 to 20 milliamps. Close, validate this one and come back to scaling. My address will be percentage IW 0.1.0. So this is my address. Neglect this one, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the first lot. We have to consider 1. So I have considered IW0 1.0, but still it is showing red because this address is an integer and the scaling block is a real. So for that I'll use bracket and here I'll write integer to real. So, so now you can see the value. So here a parameter I'll write something like AI, just a AI, and this is a default one. Click OK. Now similarly go to right click and click on FFB input assistant. Here I'll write move. Click here, this is my move. So input I'll consider 0 as 0. In default standard electric input you have to consider 0 to 10,000 counts. You'll get a raw value, it is 0 to 10,001. So similarly copy paste and this will become my 10,000. Unlock input, copy, paste here. Suppose you have a temperature sensor 0 to 250 degrees Celsius, then I'll write this is the maximum. How you are going to use this one means click on this question mark and click on a scaling block. So here you will get this functional block. So you have to use these things. And here this is the formula. You have to consider input of the sensor raw value, that is an input minimum. So I have said in standard electric these blocks you will get 0 to 10,000 crowns raw value. So that is the minimum is a 0 here and out maximum is a 250 here I have considered. That is the temperature sensor value from 0 to 250 degrees Celsius. Out minimum is 0 degree. In maximum is 10,000. In minimum is 0 and out minimum is 0. This is the formula we have to calculate. So this is the default one you will get. And here I am going to add this one. So how we are going to add means just now it is in a not built. Go to build changes and elementary variable here. Click on DDT. You'll find AI here. So this is the value you are going to add. So AI dot in minimum. So this is the way you have to write. AI dot in minimum. Yes. So in minimum, similarly in maximum. This is the AI is the block. We have created this scaling blocks and we are moving AI to this parameter. So similarly here AI here out, and here AI out max. So build this one. So before that one, go to out and here write AI out. This will be in a real, and build this one. So when value comes directly to this block, that is in this channel, this input, so it will convert scaling block, that 1 to 0 to 10,000 and 0 to 250 degrees Celsius, and you will get a converted value, that is a scaling block.